Imagine waking up one day to find that your job has been taken over by a machine. Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie, right? But the reality is, we're living in an age where artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the workforce. It's not just about robots on assembly lines anymore. AI is infiltrating fields like finance, healthcare, and even creative industries. Let's break it down. In the past, we relied on humans for tasks that required decision-making, analysis, and creativity. But now, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, making decisions faster and often more accurately than a human could. For instance, in finance, AI can predict market trends and execute trades at lightning speed, leaving human traders struggling to keep up. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics. Machine learning models can analyze medical images and detect diseases with remarkable precision. This means fewer doctors are needed for routine tasks, which could lead to job losses in radiology and pathology. It's a double-edged sword. While patients benefit from faster diagnoses, healthcare professionals may find their roles diminished. Now, let's talk about the creative sector. AI tools can generate music, write articles, and even create visual art. Some of the most popular music today is produced with the help of AI, which raises the question, what does that mean for musicians and songwriters? As these tools become more sophisticated, the demand for human creativity may dwindle, leading to fewer opportunities for artists. But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI may take over certain jobs, it also creates new ones. Think about it. Someone has to develop, maintain, and improve these AI systems. There's a growing need for data scientists, AI ethicists, and tech support roles. The key is adaptability. Workers who can learn new skills and pivot to roles that AI can't easily replicate will thrive in this changing landscape. However, the transition won't be easy. Many workers may find themselves displaced without the necessary training to transition into new roles. This is where education and policy come into play. We need to invest in reskilling programs and support systems to help workers adapt to this new reality. As we navigate this AI-driven future, it's crucial to have conversations about ethics and the implications of automation. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly across society? These are questions we must address as we embrace this technology. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to steal jobs, it also offers opportunities for innovation and growth. The future of work will look different, but with the right approach, we can harness the power of AI to create a more efficient and equitable workforce. It's up to us to shape that future, ensuring that technology serves humanity rather than the other way around.